Okay, to start on the Monte Carlo, just going to do some rust prevention efforts here. Pitted pretty bad on the deck lid to our trunk, and up here on the roof. Yeah, Earl Scheib painted this one last. They took the old original forest green paint down to the metal. This is the color I'm going back with. Everybody asks why, but I don't know. Once you get a good paint job. I think this is called forest. No, it's not forest green. Something to do with the forest, I believe. When you get a good paint job with that right color, and it's almost like a candy apple green. It looks good, and it's original. So I tend to be original kind of guy. And then for the old El Camino here, I started on this ton of work. Basically taking me about 8 hours collectively to just sand down this portion of the car. Well, maybe not 8 hours, more like 6. Just the driver's side. I'm not going to worry about this door. I think I'm going to have to just find another one. It's pretty bad. It would be okay if it was just the skin, but it's wrapped all the way around inside here, so I think it's a loss. Which sucks, because that's the original door. I like keeping original stuff. This one's going to be Olympic gold. It's the original color. It's the color I'm going to go back with. It's not a real heavy metallic, so I think I'll be okay. It'll be one of my first spray jobs ever. This was not an original fender. Looks like it used to be maroon back in the day, and then painted white, and then this ugly brown. You know, the brown wasn't that bad when it was originally painted. I pulled off one of these hand plates off the tailgate back here, and it probably looked pretty nice 25 years ago when it got sprayed. Got a decent gloss to it. Looks like it's just a one part, like a old DuPont Centauri. That's what I did my Nova in. It was a one-step paint process. Spray it on and leave it. I never tried to buff it out or sand it. I just let it go. But mine was a sort of a royal blue, Caribbean blue. I rock Z blue actually. But this wasn't bad back in the day, but now it looks like crap, and it's hard. This stuff is like fingernail polish. It might be some kind of enamel or something, but anyhow, back at it. Woohoo!